Device Manager supports over-the-air updates, which means you do not need to physically retrieve your devices to update firmware. It is important to keep your device firmware up to date to improve performance and gain access to the latest features. Firmware updates should be performed in a controlled and tested manner before rolling out across all of your devices. Head to the device grid and select the device you would like to update the firmware on. Click Device Operations, Firmware Update, Set Firmware. Type in Yes to proceed with the update process and select the latest firmware version. Click OK. When the device next connects, it will download the latest firmware update. Make sure your technical team is subscribed to our mailing list, as we send firmware notifications via email. The sign-up link is below.